Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win every time in dead rails. To start strong, always barricade your train cabin immediately using newspapers or sheet metal found nearby. This creates a safe room for you. Keeping a close eye on the in-game clock is crucial. Night brings more dangerous enemies, so plan your explorations for daytime. Your first goal should be to find a good ranged weapon, such as a shotgun, for safer combat. Efficient resource management is key to long-term survival. A clever tactic is to melee enemies through walls, which saves precious ammunition. Remember to constantly gather fuel for your train. Coal is ideal, but items like barrels or even zombie corpses can keep you moving. When engaging enemies, always aim for their heads to deal maximum damage and conserve your limited bullets. As you progress, fortify your train with barbed wire and sheet metal to repel attackers. Strategic looting is vital. Target special locations such as Sterling or Tesla for their abundant, high-value items and money. When at a safe zone, let the automated turrets handle night spawns like werewolves and vampires, then collect their bodies for easy cash and fuel. For the final push, always have healing items like 2 bandages or snake oils on hand. A horse is incredibly useful for navigating towns, luring zombies, and making swift getaways. As you approach the final 80,000-meter outpost, stop your train just before the enemy turrets. Then, carefully snipe the threats from a safe distance to secure your ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.